Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to get email notifications on Threads. The first thing you do is open up a Threads app. So once you've opened up the app, you at the bottom here you see some options. So tap on the last option, which is your profile icon. Once you've tapped on that, the next thing you're going to do is at the top here you see three options also. Tap on the last option, which is the two bars at the top right corner. Tap on it, and then you tap on notification, which is the second option, and then you can see the last option that says email notifications. Tap on it, and now you have reminder emails. So this is where you get updates on Threads that you may have missed. Now right now it's off. I want to turn it on, so I tap on give it a few seconds to load, and that's it. Right now it's still on off. Tap on give it a few seconds to load, and that's all it takes. It's on. So now I will get updates on Threads that I might have missed. It's through my email. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to this channel for more. Thanks for watching.